Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Wake up early. Wake up early. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Wash your face. Take a shower. Take a shower. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Drink some water. Drink some water. Make your bed. Make your bed. Prepare breakfast. Prepare breakfast. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. Pack your bag. Pack your bag. Go to school. Go to school. Study hard. Study hard. Write your notes. Write your notes. Read a book. Read a book. Learn a new word. Learn a new word. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Ask a question. Ask a question. Answer politely. Answer politely. Respect your teacher. Respect your teacher. Do your homework. Do your homework. Practice writing. Practice writing. Revise your lessons. Revise your lessons. Solve problems. Solve problems. Play with friends. Play with friends. Exercise daily. Exercise daily. Run fast. Run fast. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Jump high. Jump high. Drink milk. Drink milk. Eat fruits. Eat fruits. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Say thank you. Say thank you. Say sorry. Say sorry. Help your friend. Help your friend. Respect elders. Respect elders. Call your parents. Call your parents. Smile always. Smile always. Speak kindly. Speak kindly. Be honest. Be honest. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Avoid lies. Avoid lies. Save money. Save money. Spend wisely. Spend wisely. Share food. Share food. Help the poor. Help the poor. Be patient. Be patient. Be brave. Be brave. Be kind. Be kind. Sleep early. Sleep early.